Today I want to show you how to separate product variants in the collection page so you get two unique products. We've gotten this question quite a lot and I want to address this in several ways, through an app and through custom code. So the easiest way to achieve this is by obviously installing an app. I do want to remind you we're going to use Dawn for the purposes of the custom code portion of this video. So let's start with some app options. First up, we have Smart Product Filter and Search by Globo. And then we also have Variator, See Product Variant. Now let's install these and see how it works. I do want to mention Smart Product Filters and Search by Globo. It is free to install up to 25 products. And then after that jumps to $14, $19, and $42 a month. So take that into consideration, right, when you're adding an app like this to take care of this feature. Now, if you don't have the Dawn theme, there are other options out there. Obviously, you can hire a developer to help you with this, but this option right here is just going to be a boom, set it and forget it type thing, where when you upgrade your theme version or you switch themes, you will still have the ability to do this within the Smart Product Filter and Search option right here. So right when you install this app, it will actually give you a few options here as far as the settings when it's syncing the data. And right here, you can see show variants as separate products. It's just that easy. You just click enable, and then you want to also specify what you want it separated by. More than likely, what you're looking for is color. So we want to click on color, and then that's it. We just want to click save. And then we just want to make sure that we apply it to the theme. So we're going to do the current theme right there, apply filter. Okay, so it's been installed. So let's go and check how that looks. So as you can see, we're here on the theme. We went to new arrivals. As part of this app, obviously this is a filter and search app. So it's going to add a few extra features for you, right? The search bar right here, and then the filters on the left-hand side. And obviously it's going to sort of redo your whole collection page. But as you can see, we have our shorts, black, gray, white, already separated into different products. So every single version or variation, right, of color options, it's going to be separated into each individual product. Now, if we go into one of these, we'll still get our black, white, and gray right within the product page. So it doesn't change anything on the product page. It just changed the view of it on the actual collection page. So there you have it. Nice and simple. Now, if you want a cheaper option, I did find this one. It's called Variator, See Product Variants. This one's $4.99 a month, and that's it. $4.99 a month, forever. I mean, not forever, because a lot of these app developers, they tend to, through time, either add more features, enhance, different things, and then they just create different tiers, etc. So, which is fine. But let's go ahead and check this one out and see how it works. All right, so as soon as you install Variator, you'll get basically the options, right? So product variants, enable or disable. So we can click on enable, and then let's click on save on that. And then I'm going to delete the other app just so they don't interfere with each other, right? Okay, so we have a clean slate right now. Okay, so what we've done here is we've added the Variator app. I guess the issue that we're running into is the fact that it's actually splitting every single thing. So whether it's color or size. So as you can see here on our collection page, we have the shorts, black small, black medium, black large. They each show as individual products here. Now we want to make sure that we just do the colors. So let's see if there's an option in here. So the rules, you can actually set up rules so that it applies to maybe specific collections or just specific products, which is useful. But we still don't see a way to just do a single variation of products in terms of either color or sizing. So yeah, that option right here, the variant name, all it does is it changes just the name of the actual product. So Variator is cheaper, yes, but as far as features, not the best. Now, since we've done these two apps, I do want to show you a way to do it free of apps, and it will be free. Now, word of caution here. Doing custom code like this will be good for this particular theme version. As you grow, as you potentially move to another theme, this code will probably not work. As you move from Dawn version 8 to 8.2, this may not work. So keep that in mind when it comes to custom code. Whenever you upgrade your theme version, you're gonna also have to do all these upgrades manually, right? Any changes that you make to your code, you're gonna have to make them manually to this new version of your website. But we can still do it. So let's get into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copy of a copy of a copy. You may also have the same thing in your theme library, but we have here Dawn version 8.0. What we're going to do is click on that, and then, okay, so now we can right click on it, click duplicate, and then we're going to click on edit code. And then in here, what we want to do is we're going to do two simple actions. We're going to find the main collection product grid.liquid file, which is in the sections folder. So we're going to go over here, minimize this one, look for sections, and then main collection product grid. And then in here, what we're going to do is look for that UL list tag. Once you find that, whatever's in between those two tags, we're going to get rid of and paste this new one. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And then in here, what you can do actually, and I do this quite often, you actually click on the code and then click Control or Command F to find something, and then you can type in UL. All right, so now we have here UL, and then it closes off right here. So from here to here, what we want to do is delete this and add our new one, paste it right there, click save on that. And then we have another piece of code. We're going to scroll down here a little bit, and we're going to basically create another copy or version of the cart product snippet file, which can be found in the snippet file. So we're going to just create a brand new one, and we're going to call it cart product variant. I'm going to go ahead and copy all this, go from the bottom to the top. We're going to go to the snippets, so minimize that, do snippets. We're going to add a new snippet. So we're going to do cart product variant, and we're going to paste all that code. Add a little bit of extra stuff in here. Let me just make sure it starts with the comment. Click save on that. And now let's go preview this version of our store. So preview store, let's go to new arrivals. And as you can see, we have black, gray, white. So we have our color variants set in place with the correct color image in place. Now, obviously, in order for the theme, right, to know that this is the gray, this is the white, and this is the black, you actually have to specify that in the actual product page. So if we go back over here to our products, and then we go find our, for example, our hoodie, we created the color variants, navy, white, green, but then right here, we actually assigned those images to that particular color variant. So that's how it knows that it needs to showcase that particular image for that particular product. So as you can see, this is just a typical Dawn collection page with the color of the products split into different product variations. And as you can see, just as the global one and the other one, it just changes the product or the collection page, not the product page. As you can see, the product page is still one product with those color variations right in. As always, if you have any questions about anything that we talked about today, just let me know in the comments below. I will do my best to answer those questions. And if you like this video and it was helpful for you in your store, then make sure that you hit subscribe and click on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any new videos. And if you have questions kind of like this one, leave it down in the comments below. We'll try to make a video on it. See you later.